What is market structure shift? Market structure shift is simply just displacement in the trend, letting you know that price will reverse in any direction of what the trend is already in. So for example, let's say we are on a bearish trend, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and boom, price breaks through, making higher lows and higher highs. Okay? This lower high got taken out by this candle right here, meaning it simply will just reverse to the bullish trend. And usually you'd look at this in the daily time frame or any higher time frame, because the higher time frames hold significant amount of data, so you can tell and judge by using those, like the daily, the weekly, the 4-hour time frame. So my favorite is the daily time frame because it's right in the middle between the two high time frames that you should be looking at. And seeing where price, especially seeing where price goes throughout the day instead of throughout 4 hours throughout the week. So anyways, we could show a, the same thing can happen with a bullish trend, right? We can be going up and up and up and up, and then boom, price reverses down, making lower lows and lower highs, right? This low right here got taken out. This low got taken out right here, meaning price would just simply reverse all the way down, right? Don't mind that. Anyways, so let's go down here, for example, and I can show you guys a, with candles, how it looks like. So as you can see here, they made a high, they made a low, then a lower high, then a lower low. Sorry, not a lower low right here. So a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. It keeps going like this all the way down here, right? So this is a bearish trend. We know this is bearish. It keeps on going down. No market structure shift. There was no break of structure to the upside at all until we reached these 4 candles over here. So these candles were going up throughout the past 3 days, right? And this candle broke above all of these lower highs, but the most important part is that this candle broke above this lower high right here, right? This is the highest lower high. This is the recent one, or you could say this got broken as well. But to be super sure, this got broken, and so it's instantly a market structure shift, meaning the price is going to go in reverse. Instead of bearish, it's bullish. So it's going to keep going up and up and up and up and up, and then over here, price broke again. Okay. So price reversed because this candle simply broke this low right here. This low, it broke. This low got broken again. This low right here, it got broken. Okay. So that means price is going to go down. It went bearish for a couple of days, maybe a week, and price reversed again over here, breaking, making a high over these lower highs over here. It broke through. Okay. Now the most recent candle here, for this to be a right now we're on a bullish trend, but for this to be on a bearish trend, we need this candle to break through all the way down here. So it has to break this low down here. Why? Because the trend started going up from the bottom of this candle. If there was a red candle in between, that means this red candle would only have to break through this candle right here, this wick. It would only have to break through this low if there was a red candle right here, right? Because it means it broke trend a little bit for the day, and it continued going up for the next couple of days, meaning this candle would only have to break here. But in this case, there's no interruption between the trend. That means this candle has to simply break through, and the actual candle, guys, has to break, not the wick. So let's say there was a candle going down, right? And it's a long wick here, wick here. Okay. Now let's pick another candle, right? Okay, so it's making lower highs, lower low. Right? We need a candle. If the candle does this, what kind of, it looks like a popsicle. What is this? Let's say a candle does this. This does not count as a market structure shift because this wick doesn't count as the high. Doesn't count as a high. It doesn't count as a high in terms of breaking the trend. The actual candle has to go over. These two candles, right? So it has to go over this high, making it a market structure shift. That's simply it. It's not hard. You guys can just go ahead and practice on your graphs and just find all of point out the market structure shift and point out the breaker structures. The next video I'll go over breakup structure. It's not that hard, and I'll go over liquidity and fair value gaps and all of that. But for now, this is just market structure shift, and that's how you spot them. Spot the trend. You can easily go down to 15 minutes and look for long sides because we're in a bullish trend. You can look for long positions. Right now the market is closed because it's Saturday, but you'd be looking for just longs. You'd go down, you look for another long. But anyways, that's basically it.